welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to unbox presents from Isabella with me. For today's video, guys, we are going to unbox
Get Well Soon presents.
Get Well Soon
Presents.
gift from the parents, workmate, and my boss, and of course from my family as well. It's been a month since I had my brain surgery. Actually, guys, some of it's already been open because Isabella been eating the chocolates.
And Dad.
And also Calvin, because as you all know, guys, I don't really eat much of chocolates. First, we're going to open
Peter Alexander.
Yeah, Peter Alexander will find out what's inside.
It's a PJ.
Yeah, it's what is it?
So it's a lady's classic PJ set.
Yep, this gift is from my boss when she visited me at the hospital. Oh,
it's blue and
oh, this is my favorite color. Peter Alexander. Look, I said to her she doesn't have to bring anything, but then look, she told me
PJs.
Oh yeah, and also this one.
It's the pants.
It's a pants. Wow, I like it. I like silk. Thank you, boss. So she bought this one for me. Aww. And what else?
Next, we have another Peter Alexander from Sissy.
Another Peter Alexander is pages again.
It's a dog.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it.
You know, guys, Isabella been asking me for this to do the unboxing.
What? So this is the thing. Oh, it's.
I'll hold it for you.
Yeah, thank you.
Ta-da-da! Ooh.
Ooh. And we also got some thongs with it, Mum.
Yep.
So this is some thongs.
Yep. It's matches, guys. So I got this one from James. And I have socks. Actually, guys, I already unboxed siya. She asked me if I could wear it before my surgery, and I said to her, I'm not gonna take this one at the hospital kasi baka mamaya for operation they will ask you to
wear her heel down.
Yes.
Ooh.
This is it.
It's a bear. I think it's a Mama Bear t-shirt.
So
huh?
it's very comfy.
It says Mama Bear.
It's a Mama Bear.
You know it's supposed to be comfy.
Yeah, this one is very it's very comfy. Yeah, and it matches this one. What's next?
Nothing.
And this one, to be honest, guys, we already opened this one. This is from Miss Tammy. She visited me here sa bahay, and she bought me a lot of dessert, cakes, flowers as well. This one is diffuser. I really like the smells. I open it. Oh, this one. So this one, I think wala siyang pangalan. Nilagay lang nila sa isang box inside.
What's in there?
I think, I don't know. Hang on, because I can't read it. I'm gonna put my reading glasses. I'm gonna put my reading glasses because I can't see it.
Wait, can I open it?
Yep.
Oh, smell
Oh,
it.
yeah, it is. So it's actually is hand wash vanilla. It actually smells good. Healthy hands. It's a Vaseline hand
Can I have it? I
cream.
want my lot.
No, you're not allowed because you got eczema.
Okay.
And what's this
another one? So it's hand lotion.
Yeah, it's pretty. It smells good too.
Do you want to try that one?
It's a hand lotion, guys. Mabango siya. I really like the smells. Hindi siya matapang.
It's big.
So I have this one too. Isabella likes this one. This is from Mandy, from my workmate.
But it's a So it says Snuggle Huddle. So you can wear it at nighttime and you feel
This is good for winter.
Oh yeah, there's also a big pocket.
Yep. Oh, show to them, Isabella, how
Okay.
you use this one. So thank you, Mandy. And Miss Lian as well for my pages and Nadine. It's pretty like this. See?
It has pancakes, muffin, waffle. I mean not waffle, bacon, garlic bread, coffee somewhere, and decaf.
Yes, so that's the one. It's another candle. Yan, ang dami nagre-regalo sa akin ng candle. I like the smell.
Mom, I found a tag. It's $90 and I want to Pizza Alexander.
So for this one, guys, is $9.89. So Isabella found that price. It's actually, and kapag i-divide mo yun sa pera natin, it's 3,000. It's 3,328.50 for the pajamas. Wow.
That's expensive.
It's pretty expensive for that piece of
Peace.
PGs.
Next, we have a candle like we told you.
Yeah.
I don't know how to describe this.
I like the smells. Yeah.
Even.
So I have a lot of
Candles?
scented candles from parents and from boss, workmates as well. So yan. The thing is, we can't use it when Calvin's home kasi at akin na naman siya ng.
But it smells like vanilla mixed with milk.
Yep. And this one too.
That's from
I
me.
got this one from Isabella.
When she was in the hospital.
Yep, I got flowers a lot. Also, what else I've got?
We got a massager for your face so you can change it over.
I got this one from Calvin. What to do, just put it like this. You can change over. It's actually nagbabribate siya. Yan.
And you can put cream on it.
Oops! Yeah. There you go. That one. And yeah, put it here.
Put it underneath your eyes.
Yan, because we're getting old. So I got this one from Calvin. This one when I was when I get out of the ICU. I like this
We
one.
got big.
And the big box.
Ta-da!
So I got the cards from India. I think I
She's
can't
my
read it.
friend. I can read it.
And I got the scratches. When you scratch it, pwede ka manalo ng 10 million. What? Sana all. Hindi. I-scratch nyo lang to, guys, at depende kung ano yung kung mananalo kayo. But I got this one from one of the parents sa work.
First, we got a heat pack.
Yeah, heat pack. Let's say if you have muscle pain, I think you can put this one on the microwave.
That's the back.
Yeah, it's pretty, yeah, diba?
Oh,
It's
Mom, you
heat
got a
pack.
card. You got a card.
Yeah, there is a card.
So-
A card from this heat pack, and I will read it. Jen, thinking of you and wishing you in safe, speedy recovery. I'm here if you need me anything. From Jen. She's my workmate. She's one of the educator at work.
Next,
And also, I had a lot of sacks from work. Mga sacks. So, yung iba nabuksan na kasi si Isabella, she used it.
yeah, I use it.
Yeah, she used it.
Next, we have
Another sack, not gloves. It's a slipper sack. Yung hindi ka madudulas.
Mom. You got a problem. Too many socks.
Yep. And I got another socks
And
from
another one.
from work. And another one. Yan, ang dami, oh.
Now we have a beanie.
And of course, a beanie. This is pretty good when we go to snow. But I don't think I can use this one because,
Your head.
yeah, because of my head. I can't put any on it. See, it suits you. Oh, you can use that one.
Next, we have another hand cream.
Another hand cream. Good smells. I like this one. This is for the hand lotion. Para na rin siyang perfume.
Next, we have wipes to
Facial siya, guys. You can use this one on your face. to remove your makeup. Things like this
that's
one.
Now we have conditioner.
Yeah, it's a conditioner.
Shampoo. It's
Shampoo. Palmolive. This is from work. Hindi ko alam kung kanino galing itong mga to. Parang pinagsama na lang nila sa isang box.
Next we have face masks.
Yes.
Then
Face mask. Face. You can use this one to put on your face. It's a perfume. Wow.
Does it smell nice?
Yeah. Perfume.
Next we have this bag from the Body Shop. So we have body butter.
What's that for?
I'm not sure. Smell it.
Oh, mabango siya. I like the smells. It's pretty, smells good.
Yeah, it's
Not too strong. I know.
It's like vanilla. Everything's vanilla. Okay.
So I don't know kung kanino to galing.
We have
Another cream again. Hand cream.
we got shower cream.
It's a shower cream.
Next
Nakalagay siya dito lahat.
we have face mask.
Another face mask.
What do you mean another one? That's your first one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ay, isa lang pala. Oh, another lotion. From work again. I don't know who gave me this. But anyway, thank you. Aveeno.
We got spray.
Spray. Rexona. You, Isabella, can use this one. Because I don't really use deodorant.
Next we have
What's that for? Oh, okay. So that's the one, guys. This is pretty good.
now we have another Body Shop. It's for the face. This smell. And then next we have an eye mask. It's Mum's favorite animal, but sadly you can't wear it because
Yeah, I can't.
shampoo, I guess.
And I have this one. Yeah, it's a shampoo, the small one. This is good for travel. It's deodorant, another deodorant, guys. So I have this one. This is good for travel. Shampoo, maliit lang siya. Yan, tamang-tama. We are going away.
And we have two deodorants. I want to smell.
And yep, two. This one, deodorant. I can't really have this one because ingitim talaga yung armpit ko kapag deodorant. I go to the Asian shop just to buy tawas.
Next we have a pink hair brush.
Another hairbrush.
What is that?
Oh my gosh. I got a lot of shampoo and conditioner. Make me money. I don't have to buy. And this
Oh my
one.
goodness, smell it.
I don't know kung ano to. Hindi ko siya mabasa kasi nga it's quite blurry. And another this one.
What is it?
Deodorant as well. It's protection. This is the new one. I haven't seen this one before. And
Nail polish.
nail polish.
It's clear.
It's the clear one. It's a mini one. Vaseline for lip gloss. So sorry guys about my pronunciation. As you all know, meron tayong after the surgery, I have speech delay. I don't know if I pronounce it properly.
So we got Pawpaw. If you don't know what Pawpaw is, it's a lip gloss that pretty much the whole family uses in my family. It's pretty popular in my family. So
yeah, it's a Pawpaw. And this one, I really like this one, guys.
What
this
is it?
really smells good. Kakamay. You can use this one to if your hands dry and it's good. Para na rin siyang may perfume. I've been looking for this one online. Luckily, I got few from parents and workmates. Yeah, and also I have cards. Yan. Yeah, this is the kids get Wilson card from kids at work. Yan, sa mga students, family. Yep, I got that one. Yan, ang dami nilang pinadala sa akin. This one to Miss Lane. Taran! That's it! And there you have it! Oh, are you happy now that yan yung mga natanggap ko? Regalo from work, friends, workmates, parents. Alright guys, if you like our video for today, don't forget to
like, comment, share, and subscribe.
You get to see all the gift here. Anyway guys, thank you for today. And we'll see you next time for our next video. Bye for now!